Hey, morning people. Top of the morning, guys. Blow, whoa, look on bait. Blow, we blow. Watch out, people. Look there, look there. Yeah, tell me, sir. Watch out. I bait them there, you know. You know what that mean, man? Fish supposed in the water, you know. I think I'm going to set up my casting settings now, brother. Yeah, man, fish there. Yo. Yeah, so we're on another adventure, guys. Fishing adventure. Come out to wreck ship again. Let's see if we can catch something this morning, you know, people. Yeah, normally up here, jack me I catch out just about. It's better than nothing, so we'll go and set up and then make 2 casts. And then we don't make the cast now. If we catch nothing from the casting, now let's see if we can set 2 lines right now. Some steel toffee, so let's see if we can. Like it wash hard this man, man. That's man. What's the all the way, so look at that. Anyhow, people, may I set up and get back to you guys, alright? Super. Lure I can use, I want a good lure, I want a lure can, you know, some ever use AYU, you know people, I use this in a because it's have a little weight to it, and it swim good, you know this, I use this, it have a little weight to it and it swim good, so this is the bait I use. Yeah, so I got down on the beach right, so I'm going to make 2 casts. I'll set that one when I'm ready yet. I'm going to just cast first and then come set it, so I'm super. Alright guys, this is the first cast out now, yeah. First cast out. Alright, see if we can hook up against the wreck. Against the wreck here so first before I go down. I want to go down to, but guess what now, the bait them getting far. I think we can't go so far right now. I don't want to go so far from the things that we have right now. So, water wash from far up though. Yeah, far up. Water is far up as well. Turn that up, put the gate on that up so man. Come on man, stop that up no brother. Sure. Turn that up too much man, what is it? Why? I'm not bounce it now, nothing, turn that up. Oh yeah, go wet me up so much right now, brother. Water rough, man. Too rough. Water rough bad, you know. You know, it's a rough weather day, you know. And a rough now. You know, so the forecast is set to go rough still, you know. But I think I said, boy, a north breeze there go blow. So it couldn't so bad, but I'm like, north breeze now nothing to do with this now. North breeze now nothing to do with this, it's still gonna get rough. Alright people, let's still come back now, yeah. I'm gonna do a little thing right now, so. Because boy, even though I get a watch for this camera, it's still going with the foolishness, you know. I can't bother with the batteries business with the camera, because imagine the other day I record the other day. I'm putting in the battery, you know, brother. And I'm putting in the battery, so I make 2 recording. And 1 bar, I sit on the battery, brother. 1 bar. 1 bar, you know, after I put it in fully charged, you know. What a joke thing this here, man. Anyhow, let's see come. I'm gonna walk come down this side because I see some bait, see some bird right there, so lie down in the water. And a whole for activity right here, so. I'll see if I can cast anyway right here, so hook up something. Ah, so, see a big boil up right over that side. That means the fish out there feed, you know. See the boil up right out there, so. That means a big fish out there feed. I'm gonna try it. You can show. So the bird them up and down the shoreline, so I run them down. Watch that, you see that? Watch that, look in front of me. And enough bait that, you know. I want to think of them. Okay, I'll see if any Jack must have follow them up. Must. See if we can catch something, but we don't want to catch a bird. Out there, don't fly night. Don't fly night, man. Cha. Yeah, and I really jack my one still, you know, but I want action. I want action from that. Wait, no, I think no. I want to flip back so now. I want to flip back, fly back so now. Don't go ramp with me, man. Sure. Don't bother ramp with me. So guys, change lure now. See there? Take off the AYU, I'm going to use this now. This name there. I'll call this now. I forget how it name, but it's long and narrow. Barracuda love it. I see now if anything love it, you know. Come on. Any fish out there? Come now. Let's take it up. It's a below say bar out there and see them now left it, you know. Or even if Jack see them now left it, I don't know what the snooks there. I don't know if the snooks see them, we take it or not, I don't know. But I know say Barracuda love them color here and them love them bait here. Long bait, Barracuda love long bait. So me I say, they come like the way of mash it up on the stone then. Anyway, I go back down, I cast down near to the ship here, so because I'm not feeling nothing up above. So I will if I bait down here, so but it come like nothing of them are fishing at them, you know, but maybe them don't want the artificial. Them are so busy as me say I run down the bait them. That them don't want the artificial, or them small, so them not interested in the big bait them I use, you know? Them bigger lures. So can be a whole of a factor, you know? I'm going to show still, see if we can find out the big boy that I pass stuff. I mean, just love big fish, you know. Yeah, small fish them. Nah, give me no good fight, man. One big one give me a good fight. Watch it, watch the bird. Right in front of me I dive the same now. And normally when you see bird I dive like that, you know fish on it. But is it big fish or small fish? We don't know yet. Alright, so let us find out. Let us find out. You know, so the bait go right over for them there. Yeah, right over there, you know. Yes. Take time and retrieve it and see if anything will grab it. You know, kingfish bait this one, kingfish love it. I never use it on a kingfish yet. We never use that troll yet. The reason because it, you know, swim deep, it swim just below the surface. Alright, the sun started burning now, so I'm gonna put on my mask now. Chop. Sure, the sun started deal with the face away now, so anyhow people still come back here because I don't feel nothing, I know fish them come out of there or not, so still come. I catch nothing on artificial right now, I don't know why. Maybe the bait them not too bite artificial this morning, so, not the bait, the fish them not too bite artificial, so but the carry, I like this a cut bait here, you know, some toughy with me from over there, so I go set out from my line right there so I see if I can catch anything. Sun, my face on the sun and the camera. I'll put the camera this way. The camera this way, out of the sun. Yeah, I'll put the camera the way there, right? Because the sun, the lens right now. Whoa, them toughy as steel, man. Them toughy as steel. Yeah, so we just set out one of the bait them, I don't know, them feel steel still and not gonna work. I set out half of one of them, you know. See if we can catch a snapper still or anything will pass. I know snapper still will bite them, man. Snapper might bite them, none of that fresh one. I never see now if I can catch them. I'm gonna make a quick cast down here, so. See the bird them right there in the right, watch it now. Cast. A cast bait. See if you can cast some and give me some. Come on, just move pump. Cast and see what I go. Beat like crazy.
Well, to take them out and all.
Yeah, may I try to get some fresh bait for my friend. Try to get some fresh bait. So me just get a toffee. Get some still in my bucket in about. Team net kinda gill the fish them, you know. So I can use my net. I can't throw my net again more than so because my shoulder sick. It was 6 shoulder. So can't manage to throw mine it, but if I could have managed to throw it in my hand, I would have catch a hook a bit, you know. But can't manage it. And I ring out my shoulder still, you know. Ring out my shoulder. You can't do that again. I change a bit here. I can't turn the camera to the sun, so I have to do it sideways. And then now, you see what I go on, right? But I'm going to set out this and come back. Then I catch some blue on the down, so I'm going to see if we can get into the action, you know. So I'm going to go down right down spot them there and catch a bait. Yeah, so everybody, I got catch blue and nice stuff right here. So let's put out some of them today. Why not now go on, no people? Not at all now go on. I'm going to try this morning, everything. Try lure. I'm going to get on pan lure. I'm going to try lamb cut bait when I get on pan cut bait. Try live bait. I can't get a chance to try live bait because too much rod on the side, so I can't throw a rod properly. Can't, you know, too much people are fish, so I can't throw a live bait right on the side. So live bait out tight. So I'm not catch nothing since, so I plan out to pack up and move and go somewhere. Or if not, just call it a day and go and come back next time, you know. But the thing I'm going to find out is that, you see, if I'm going to do casting, if I'm me alone, I'm going to do casting lure and carry live bait or cut bait, it's not going to work out because sometimes you cast and you see the bird and you want to cast them and you have out a cut bait or you have out a live bait and you have to stuff them, pump and bucket and stuff on place. You have to move up and down when you cast. And it's kind of hard because you have to watch where you stuff them and you can't go too far from where you have them. So it's kind of awkward, you know. So I like when you have the casting, if I'm me alone, I'm going to casting the lures, we just cast lure alone. You understand? If it's a group of us and we have to set line, then we can cast lure and leave set line with whoever is nearby. We can't do it for them one time. For them one time too complicated. And that's happening right now. You can't get to move around because a lot of people out there. I mean, I really want to leave my stuff right there. So. You can't leave everything on the walk and leave it like that. Rod them, I have a rod right there, I have a pump right there, so I have my bag and I have my stuff them right there, so, you know, camera. And then I have a walk and cast. I have to leave it far because sometimes burn them far. But anyhow, so I'm going to pack up and cut jam and see if I can try something else. Now, I'm not getting nothing right at all. The water, no. The water look alright, you know, but beating that water, you know, but why? You know, look good at all. You know? So, I'm going to move on, right? So, catch you on the other spot, I will catch you on the next time. Fish on every time out of here.